Just imagine this. If you can work straight for 3 months sacrificing your valuable time, but as a result of that, you will be able to make a passive income stream where you can generate thousands of dollars, would you sacrifice that time? If your answer is no, please don't watch this video. This is not for you. If your answer is yes, welcome to the club, my friend. Within the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what you should do to achieve that goal within 3 months. Watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, I will show a secret method to find trending topics for any niche, and I will share 3 tips to get more views. This video is not just about starting a YouTube channel for fun. This is about starting a YouTube channel as a long-term business. You may think, who are you to even teach this? You are not a big YouTuber. I hear you loud and clear, but let me show you something. I went from 0 to 8,000 subscribers within just 45 days. It's because I finally understand how this YouTube process actually works. I'm going to share this knowledge with you now, but remember, this is not easy. As I mentioned earlier, you must sacrifice 3 months of your time. If you are willing to do that, nothing can stop you. Okay, let's start. Before you start your channel or select your niche, you must learn about CPM and RPM. So, what is CPM? CPM stands for cost per 1,000 impressions. It's basically the value that advertisers are willing to pay YouTube for 1,000 views. CPM isn't the amount YouTube content creators actually earn. YouTube pays creators 55% of an ad's CPM. RPM stands for revenue per mille. It represents how much money you've earned per 1,000 video views. Why am I telling you all of this? It's because CPM depends on your audience, geography, and your niche. So when you are starting, you need to select a profitable niche that can actually reach international audiences. If you can do that, your channel's CPM will increase. In other words, you will earn a lot more money. Now let's see about the profitable niches and how much RPM we will get as an average. I will give you 15 niches and their CPMs. Remember, you will only get 55% from this value. Number 15, comedy and humor. CPM is around $1. So, in my opinion, it's not a good niche to start as a business. Number 14, gaming. CPM is around $1.60. Number 13, fitness and bodybuilding. CPM is around $1.60, similar to the gaming niche. Starting a unique gaming channel is a good idea because you can create unlimited content without lots of editing. Number 12, travel niche. It has around $2 of CPM. Number 11, cooking niche. It has a CPM of around $2.5. Number 10, I talk a lot about this niche, which is the motivational niche. It has a CPM of around $2.5 to $4 depending on the content and the audience. Number 9, beauty and makeup. CPM is around $3. Number 8, fashion niche. CPM is around $4. Number 7, lifestyle niche, especially channels about vlogs. This has a CPM of around $3.5. Number 6, this is the ASMR and satisfying video niche. This has a CPM of around $3.5. Number 5, tech niche. This is one of my favorite niches. It has a CPM of around $7.3. Number 4, educational niche, which is similar to my channel, which has a CPM of around $9.8. Number 3, personal finance niche. This is one of the highest paid niches on YouTube. It has a CPM of $12. Number 2, digital marketing niche, which has a CPM of around $12.5. Finally, the number 1 niche on YouTube is how to make money niche, which has a CPM of around $13.4. Now you can understand which niches are profitable and which are not. I would recommend you select a niche that has a CPM higher than $3. I hope you have a clear understanding of these niches and their CPM. As I mentioned earlier, in order to be a successful creator on YouTube, you have to sacrifice 3 months of your time. Now let's make a plan for the 3 months. There are 2 types of approaches on YouTube. First one is the experimenting approach. Second one is the planning approach. Let me explain these 2. Experimenting approach. This is where you create a general YouTube channel without any niche and start experimenting with different things. As an example, first you try to teach something, but it's not getting any views. Then you start blogging, it's not getting views either. Then you start making song covers, and finally it blows up and you get a lot of views. So you decide to keep uploading song covers. It's like doing an experiment. The best example of this type of channel is Ali Abdaal. He is one of the best and most successful YouTubers on this platform, with almost 5 million subscribers. He mainly posts videos related to educational, niche, and productivity. But if you go to his channel and check the oldest videos, he started his YouTube channel as a singer, then he did videos about medical stuff. When he is not getting enough views, he has decided to change his niche. So, is this experimental approach actually worth it? The answer is no. It may work for someone, but now YouTube has become a very competitive place. Therefore, chances of getting success with this method are very low. The second method is the planning approach. This is where you do some research and find a good niche or a sub-niche, and create a content plan for the next few months targeting a specific audience. By doing this, if you have consistency, your success is guaranteed. So, let's talk about how to select a niche. The first thing is that it must be profitable. One of the most important things is, the niche you are going to select should be something that you are really interested in. If not, after a few weeks, you will lose interest and you will stop creating content for sure. I'm telling this from my experience. This channel is not my first channel. Before creating this channel, I created around 10-15 YouTube channels. Half of them didn't even get 1,000 subscribers because over time I lost interest in that category and I didn't create any new content. So make sure you select a niche that you are passionate about and profitable. After that, you need to learn some new skills. Let's say you select a cooking niche and cooking is your passion, but you don't know how to video record and how to edit the videos. So if you are not ready to outsource those skills or hire someone for those works, you must learn those skills. Basically, find the skills you need and learn those skills within the first months. When I was planning my YouTube journey, I didn't know anything about video editing. So I sacrificed my first month to learn this skill. You can learn anything from YouTube for free. So I learned video editing using Premiere Pro from YouTube. So if I can do that, I'm sure you can do that as well. If you are shy or you don't want to show your face, that's completely fine. Just start a faceless YouTube channel. So, spend your first month learning about these skills. After that, you need to make a content plan. So, what's a content plan and why is so important? Let me explain. Content plan is where you do your own research, find video ideas, and make a list of video ideas for the next 2 months. So, what are the things that you must include in this content plan? Let me show you an example. First, we have the title of the video. Then, the keywords related to that specific topic, and the description of that video. Finally, examples of thumbnail styles. Find at least 20 video ideas before you start your channel. And here is why this is very important. The first video that you are going to upload to your channel is not going to go viral. Let's be realistic. It will get probably around 300 to 500 views. Here is what will happen. Let's say you upload your first video and expect it to get tons of views, but in reality, it won't happen. When you upload your second video, it will also get the same amount of views and few subscribers. So, you start to get less motivated, you will think this is not going to work, and at that point, you will stop creating content. That is just the reality. You must upload at least 10 to 15 videos to see some results, but you expect to get that results as soon as you upload. That will not happen. Your target should be to complete the first 10 to 15 videos and upload them. Don't even think about views and subscribers. If you provide content consistently, at least 3 videos per week, trust me, you will start to see results within the next few weeks. That's why you must create a content plan before you start your channel. Finally, let's see. How to find trending topics in your niche. I will show you exactly how you can do that. First, you need to log out from your YouTube account and use incognito mode. When you do this, YouTube has no data about your interests. Let's say your niche is about financial investments. You need to search these terms and find some videos. Watch several videos which are related to your niche. Make sure to watch a video for at least 4 minutes. Do this process 3 or 4 times. And then go to the home page again. Now, on the home page, YouTube will suggest some videos related to that niche. These are the videos that are trending, so if you create videos around these topics, you can get more views. The best thing is, you can apply this method to any niche. So, use this method to find video ideas for your content plan. Before I end this video, let me give you some tips to get more views. Don't just upload your videos, you must add keywords to the title, description, and tags. If you don't do SEO properly, you will get fewer views. Create a unique and eye-catching thumbnail. Don't use just clickbaits. It will not help you to grow. Finally, if you provide quality and valuable content to your audience, you will get more subscribers and views. That's the truth. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.